Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam, and today we're making something with cereal and marshmallows and a pan and butter and vegetable oil, and it's gonna be good. So follow along, and first thing we're gonna do is get our vegetable oil and
that's spray, cooking spray.
Cooking spray, and spray down everything because we don't want it to stick to the pan. Next,
Are we gonna put
and you need a pan and a spoon.
All right, so next we're gonna turn the pan on. Medium. Add in your butter and your marshmallow. So we have half a stick of butter, so that's 4 tablespoons.
We're gonna get some marshmallows.
Are you guys gonna do all of them?
All of it. Okay. Now
I'm gonna be your guys' taste tester.
You're gonna be the taste tester? Oh, that's so good. So though you don't have to stir this constantly, what do you want to make sure you don't do?
don't burn the marshmallows.
Yes, this is not time to
Go watch a show and let them cook. No, you gotta make sure they're not stuck to the bottom.
All right, so we have our marshmallows melting with the butter. Is your arm hurting yet?
No.
Is it ready to go?
No. It's not
Okay.
even close to
We
me.
might need it a little.
Higher for the heat.
No, we don't need to turn the heat up because again, you don't want them to burn. We don't want our butter to burn.
I don't even know which one's the butter anymore.
It should all be melted together. Should be absorbed into the marshmallows. We're just trying to keep the mess toward the bottom of the pan, not up the sides as much as possible. So, Stranger Things. Are you a fan?
I mean, a lot of people say I look like Max from Stranger Things if you do watch it, so.
Is it even on anymore?
Stranger Things? I think they finished it.
We've never watched it. So, if that's what Max looks like, then yep. Oh, you got a little serenade from your dog.
I think Scout likes it. Just touch the pan.
All right, it's looking fluffy. We're gonna keep
It's
mixing.
boiling.
Yep, we're gonna turn it down a little more. We don't need boiling marshmallows. Look at that marshmallowy goodness.
Looks like we're making Rice Krispie treats.
Oh my gosh, that's almost exactly what we're making.
That makes sense.
All right, so I've turned it off. We have just one chunk in there that will go away in a little bit. All right, next step.
Pour it into the pan.
No, mix
The
the cereal in.
Oh, in right now.
Yes.
Okay. That was easy.
I didn't get your face, so, but yes, muscles. Do you need to pour while you?
Jeez. Got it.
But do you need me to pour while you stir?
Yeah.
Okay.
you use the whole bag?
Keep stirring.
I don't know if there's enough marshmallows in here.
Keep stirring.
Ow. Touch the pan.
Well, don't do that.
Guys, I don't think there's enough marshmallows.
Keep stirring.
I am.
Okay, let's switch.
Mom's turn.
Because there's still lots of marshmallow in here. We're just not.
The spider web.
It does look like a spider web. But it's not. Alright, we're going to dump this whole bag in. And drop one on the floor. Whoops. We'll see if the dog can find that later.
That face, I think. Working hard.
Working hard. Alright, I think we are good. We got the marshmallow from the bottom. Are you going to dump it into the pan?
Sure.
You got to lift.
I have a spoon thing.
No, you just. This is one of those things you got to work quickly. Because once it starts to cool, it's going to start to gel back up.
Street. Oh. It's like walking into a spider web.
Well, you sure know how to make everything sound delicious. Look at that pan. We'll make Ainsley wash that.
What?
So we have our butter wrapper. Gosh, you make a mess. Alright, we're just trying to spreading it around, getting it all, well, somebody
Good.
licks off the spoon. Because
Well,
that's also
You
important.
said I had to wash it, so of course I'm gonna eat it.
That is not what we mean by washing. Alright, so I'm just using this so it doesn't stick to my fingers. But we need to let it cool.
That looks professionally made by me and Mom.
Alright. There you go. Done. Some s'mores bars.
Wow, that was like
But
5
instead of
minutes.
Rice Krispies, we just used a bag of s'mores cereal because it was on sale. And is it 2 thumbs up? Alright, once it's cool, we'll all take a bite. Not off that spoon. Alright, here are the bars. Ooh. That means
It's like you need.
Are you saying that I made them bad?
They sound
No.
tough.
yes, they're crunchy. They're supposed to be crunchy.
Oh my.
Look like can break your tooth off.
They're really good.
No, you're gonna hold it.
It's sticky.
That's tasty.
Why is there so much cereal in this?
Not bad. It's like
There's
a
a lot of
Smores bar.
cereal.
All right, McKenna.
Thank you. I don't know. It just tastes like the cereal with like sugar, extra sugary cereal.
Well, that's kind of what Rice Krispie bar tastes like too, right?
I mean, yeah, I guess so.
Someone is going to town.
That's pretty good.
Well, I'll just take a small one. Now you're like, oh, I'll have another one.
Maybe I have to have a bigger one later.
Just like we thought.
I'm working
All right,
with
is this
that
a thumbs
one.
up?
This is good.
Thumbs up.
Two thumbs
Oh,
up.
McKenna is a maybe.
It's
I can
fine.
give and
No one
take.
listens.
Wait, 20 thumbs up.
I know it's delicious because I've made it before,
150 thumbs up.
but clearly not for these guys.
100 thumbs up.
All right, so that's gonna wrap up this Cooking with the KAM Fam. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.